Hello everyone, how to tools back with another new video, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can add any social media link or any website link or any link in your Bluesky social app description. Okay, so this is really gonna short tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. So you need to go here. You can see a 3-line left top corner on your screen. So I'm going to click and then click settings, the last one, and then sorry, it's not way, like you can go this way, and you can also go your profile, click edit profile. So in description you can add any link. So for example, I'm going to give my like Facebook, then I can give the link here, www.facebook.com. then you have to give your username here. So I'm just going to give my username, and that's it, and click save changes. So you have to give your a link, or you can copy the link from your social media or any other site, or you can manually add your link on your description. It's really easy. So here you can see it's perfectly added. So Facebook, you can see it's now like blue color. It means it's clickable. Once you click here, then you will go that. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching.